everyone, welcome to Go Get My Guru. In this session, let's discuss about sets in Python.
When we come across a word set, it reminds us our school days mathematics subject. So we used to do union intersection operations using these sets. In the same way, in programming also we make use of this for mathematical functions like union intersection operations as well. So before diving deep into the discussion of set, let's look at the agenda for today's session.
We'll be starting our discussion with defining a set, and then we'll see how to create a set, how to modify set, how to know the length of the set, and how to know membership, that is specified value is present in the set or not. So we will be discussing all these things in detail. So what is set? Anyone? Okay, set is a built-in data type in Python which is an unordered collection of items and have no duplicates. We'll be seeing what is the meaning of no duplicate, what is unordered, everything in detail when we do hands-on. Sets in Python are unindexed. Set items in Python are immutable, and the syntax for set is equal to curly braces, and you can give item names. So are you all ready to explore sets with hands-on? Okay then. Let's get started. Have a look at this picture. What you are observing here? Yes, you are right. A cricket match is going on. So shall we create a set for cricket players today? Let's do that. Let's create a set for players, that is cricket players. So how I showed in syntax, you should open curly braces and then give item names. Let me say I'll give Kohli, Rahul, and then let's say Dhoni. Now let's print this, print players. Let's run this. So here you can see that set got created. So Kohli is the first item in set, Rahul is the second, and third one is Dhoni. So in which order we have given our player's name? Let's check that. So you can see here that Kohli, Rahul and Dhoni. But the output is in other sequence, Dhoni, Rahul and Kohli. So that's why we say set is an unordered collection of data items. So whenever you create a set and try to print that set, you cannot predict the order in which your items will be appeared. That's why we say it is unordered. I hope you are clear with this. Now that we know how to create a set, there is another method to create sets. Let's say players is equal to using set construct. Set, I'll give Rahul, Kohli and then Dhoni. Now let's print this set. So I'll comment these two. First we have created. Now let's check whether using set construct a set gets printed. So here you can see that set got printed, but it is an unordered. It is not in the sequence we have given the values or names. Now that we understood what is unordered, you might have questioned that what is duplicate? Set will not allow duplicates. So let us make sure that whether set allows duplicates or not. I will add one more name here in this set. Let's say I'll add again Rahul. So now let us try to print. So here you can see that though I have given 4 names in the set and Rahul was repeated, but set is taking only one name of Rahul. So set doesn't allow duplicates. Now that we have created a set, let's try to access set items. So how we used to do in list or tuple? We used to access with indexing. Let's try in the same way and check what we will get. So I'll just print players. I'll just try to access the 0th player. So my 0th player is Kohli here. Let's run this. So here you can see that we have got type error, that is set object is not subscriptable. So what does this mean? You cannot access set elements with indexing or key. That is why we say that is because set is unordered and you cannot be sure that which index is assigned to which player. Now we have seen that we cannot access set items by indexing or keys. Is there any other way to access set? Yes, of course. For I in players, then just give print I. I'll comment this. Let's run this. So here you can see that we have got player's name. I hope you guys are following. So we have created a set. We have tried to access the set elements. Now the next question comes. Can I add elements to set or can I add values to set? Yes, of course you can add, But how? Let's take the same set now that I want to add another player to this team. So which player shall we add? We'll add Pandya now. So for that, give player dot add, give the name of person you want to add. So I want to add Pandya. Now print this. Print updated set players. Let me comment these two first. Comment this also. Now let us run and check what we will get. So here you can see that we have got updated set as Pandya got added to this team. So here you can observe that we have used add method to add a person to this team. Now we'll use another method. Let's say I want to add 2 to 3 members in this set. So I'll take one more set here. Let's say IPL underscore team is equal to, I'll take 2 more persons, Pant, comma, Chahal. So I want to add this IPL team players to original Cricket player team. How can I do? Now you can do with update method or add method. So print players dot update with what? You want to add IPL underscore team. So now print this players. I'll comment these 3. Now let's run this. So here you can see that Pant and Chahal got added to the team by using update method. Now that we have learned how to add elements to this set, is there any way to remove elements from the set? Yes, it is there. Let's see how we can remove elements from the set. Remove items. Let's take the same list, players, and then only thing we have to do is players dot remove method we have to use. So which person, which player you want to remove? I want to remove Rahul. So Rahul. Now print this. Print players. So I'll comment these 3 lines. Now let's check whether Rahul gets removed from the team. Yes, of course he got removed by using remove method. There is another way in which we can remove them from set by using discard method. Let's say players dot discard. So which person you want to discard now? I want to discard Dhoni. Now let's say print players. So in line number 18 we are removing Rahul from the team. In line number 20 we are removing Dhoni from the team. So we had only 3 players in the team. If we remove these 2, there should be a 1 person left in the team. Let's run this and check whether we get the same output. Yes, this is for removing Rahul, and second line output is removing Dhoni. So we got Kohli, only 1 person in the team. Now let's say I want to delete all players. So how can we do that? We can do that by using clear method. Let's say players dot clear. Now let's confirm this by printing whether we get an empty set. Print players. Run this. So here you can see that we have got an empty set. There are no players in the set. So to do that we used clear method. Now that we understood how to remove items from the set, let's discuss how to know size of the set. Let's take the same original set. I want to know the length of this set. So I can make use of length function here. Length of player set. Comment these 2. Run this. So here you can see that length of player set is 3 because we have only 3 players in the set. Now if I want to check whether Rahul is in the players list or not, that is called membership test. So we have discussed this in operators. So let's do membership test. So how we can do that? In line number 26 you can observe set of players. I want to test for Rahul. For that I'll give print. Let's say you give the name you want to check. I want to check Rahul. Rahul in players. You are checking whether Rahul is available in the players set or not. Let's run this and check the output. Here you can see that we have got true. So membership test, that is in or not in, always returns Boolean value, either true or false. Let's take a name which is not present in the set. For example, Pant. He is not there in the set we have defined in line number 26. I'll comment this. So now it should return false because he is not present in the set. Let's check. So here you can see that we have got false. I hope all of you are clear with all the concepts of set we have discussed. These are the basic concepts of set. So the key takeaways of today's session are, we started with defining a set. So what is set? Set is an unordered collection of data which does not allow duplicates. Then we saw how to create a set. We use two methods to create set. One is using curly braces and the second one we used is set construct. And next we tried to access item from the set and we got an error telling that items are not subscriptable. Then we moved on with updating set. So here we use two methods. One is update method and other is add method. Next we saw how to remove items from set. So we used again two methods here. One is remove and discard. We also saw how to clear the entire set using clear method. Then we discussed about how to know the size of set. Size of set can be known by using length function. And then we discussed membership operator. Membership operator we use to check whether the specified person is present in the players list or not. We used in membership operators to test whether a person is present or not. I hope all of you are clear with basic concepts of set. I hope you are enjoying our Python series. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive updates for future videos.